Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some air fryer southern catfish. Ooh, delicious. So let me get started with the ingredients here. We have four pieces of catfish fillet, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of cornmeal. We have half a cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of obey seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. That's going to be about a half a teaspoon of salt because the flour here, the self-rising flour, already has some baking powder in it, so that's kind of some salt there. So we're not going to use that much salt. And we have our spray to spray on the fish after we prepare everything. So I'm going to let this fish marinate for 30 minutes in the buttermilk. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of buttermilk to this bag that I have lying next to me, okay? All right, so let me get started. Okay, I added the 1 cup of buttermilk and I'm gonna let it marinate for 30 minutes. While the buttermilk is marinating the catfish, I'm gonna go ahead and make the flour mixture for the fish. I have half a cup of self-rising flour. Just add it into the bag. 1 cup of cornmeal. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. 2 teaspoons of obey seasoning. Teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And that's it. All right, let me mix it up really well while the fish is marinating in the butter. I'll pat the fish dry with a paper towel before I add it to the cornmeal. See, it's pretty dry. I'll shake it around in there. See, it's pretty dry. I'm gonna add it to my pan over here. And get it pretty dry. I'm going to make sure it's well coated. Okay. the last piece. Okay, I'm gonna place the fish in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes, okay? Let me spray it first before I place it in the oven. I'm gonna flip it at 10 minutes. Okay. All right. Okay. I took the catfish out of the oven. Ooh, and it's really hot. It looks really delicious. Let me push it in so you can see it better. Okay, it smells delicious. So tell me, what would you add to this recipe, or what would you change about this recipe? Okay, so place the information in the comment section. Tell me how you would make this air fryer southern fried catfish differently. Okay? All right, thanks for watching, and I post every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 3 p.m. So subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the delicious recipes in the future.
And Norman, my son died. And I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna taste a piece of the fish. It is so fluffy. It's really good. It's very crispy. This took about 24 minutes in my air fryer, and I have the large Ninja air fryer.